In the realm of thoughts where truth does dwell, I found myself captivated by its spell. Neville Goddard's lecture, a profound delight, unveiling secrets hidden in plain sight. "What is truth?" he asked with wisdom rare, a question that demanded my deepest care. Through verses woven like a tapestry divine, I embarked on a journey in search of a sign. With each word spoken, a new layer unfurled, a symphony of knowledge in a transcendent swirl. The key to creation, it lay within my mind, a power so potent, yet often left behind. Oh, the truth, elusive like a distant star, but its essence within us resides not far. For we are the architects of our own reality, crafting our lives with thoughts of vast duality. In every circumstance, a lesson to be learned, a mirror reflecting what within us is churned. Do we choose to see a world of lack and fear, or embrace the truth that abundance is near? With introspective gaze, I pondered deep. What does it take, this truth to keep? A shift in perception, a change in belief, to unlock the doors and find sweet relief. The power lies not in external domain, but in the infinite well of our conscious terrain. To embody the teachings, we must first explore the depths of our being like never before. With curiosity as our guide, we venture within, unraveling layers, shedding old, worn skin. For truth is a journey, a lifelong quest, a dance with the self, a never-ending test. So, I invite you now to embark on this quest, to seek the truth with passion and zest. Subscribe to this channel for more wisdom to find, transform your life, and expand your mind.